All right, Mike. All right, Mike. Going in the Optic, man. Good luck. See if we can get you one of those hot rookies. It's $5 a team, so it'd be 20 a division if you guys want to. If you guys want a box break Optic. I think there's 3 autos in this pack. I want to say. Feels like it. This feels a lot thicker. We'll see. All right, man. You got it. Brent, you're up next, man. Marvin Jones Jr. Ooh, nice. I don't know why these are bent so much. Dallas Goedert. 9 out of 25. Purple. These are tough. Rashad Penny. 50 out of 50. eBay 101. Rashad Penny on-card auto for the Seahawks. Rashad Penny. Purple, too. Those are tough. Looks like we have 3 autos. Ian Thomas, tight end. He caught fire there at the end of the season for Carolina. 21 out of 125. Ian Thomas auto on card. Deontay Burnett. Rookie auto for Tennessee. It's got all kind of crazy prisms. 9 out of 25 there. 9 out of 25. Deontay Burnett, man. Markel Ant-Man. Rookie. And Kerryon Johnson. Rookie for the Lions. And Kid Reporter. Alright, Hawaii Mike. There you go, man. Thank you very much. Gotta like the Optic. Thank you.